This guy, Willie Sutton, became famous after being asked why he robbed banks. The reply? That's where the money is. Surveys show us that only 6 to 8% of Americans have cash assets. So that means 92% of assets are not cash. There's 3 compelling reasons to give from an IRA. If you're 70 and a half, generally there's a lot more money in an IRA than cash in the bank. Number 2, when you're over 70 and a half, the IRS demands a required minimum distribution from qualified accounts like IRAs. Number 3, IRA distributions directly to charity is not only counts towards your RMD, but is tax neutral. It won't harm the donor tax-wise. So we find some people who are debt-free and are taking a standard deduction on their taxes, and doing this strategy will not increase income like it would if you took the RMD and then paid cash directly to the charity. So let me ask you this. Last year, did you pay capital gains? If so, did you give cash gifts to charity? If so, you've missed an opportunity to avoid taxes, and you might want to consider a different plan going forward. So, gifting of appreciated assets. Here are a couple of strategies. One is you could give partial gifts, split gifts, full gifts to a donor advised fund, and then pay it out later to the charity as you or your family decide. Number 2 is you could give to a charitable gift annuity, receive an income for life and a partial tax deduction while reducing the capital gain burden today. So remember, you want to keep things simple. Some resources are better suited to give to a charity than cash. Often there's no need for legal documents or complex planning for many of the great giving ideas. So what is a charitable gift annuity? How can it provide you an income for life? So the charitable gift annuity works this way. A donor gives appreciated asset to a charitable gift annuity issuer that provides a lifetime of tax-advantaged and certain income. There are more flexible ways today than in the past. You can name a charity, or the funds can go to a donor advised fund with lots of other options, including splitting the gift, timing of the gift, letting it continue on for your children to be able to make gifts. Or if you want to give anonymously, you can do that. Again, it's best suited for assets that have appreciated, but you can also give cash. So if you'd like to contact me more about ways to improve your giving, you can reach me, Scott at stewardshipmatters.net. That's Scott at stewardshipmatters.net.